Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Saviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ, सबको जय माँ। चलिए आज है ना, मैं चाइनीज फ्राइड राइस बना रही हूँ। पहले भी तो बनाया था, यू नो, आई मेड फ्राइड राइस and lots of different ways of making fried rice. This, what I'm doing, is very simple, and generally they make this in restaurants. You know what you see in street food, they put a lot of sauces and सब कुछ बहुत कुछ डालते हैं, पर restaurants में वैसा नहीं होता है. So I'm showing you that, and it's very simple but very tasty, you know, very delicious. So let's begin. Now first we switch on the gas. I've taken a wok, you know, because Chinese where woks are used generally. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Everything is in the description, okay? Then add a lot of ginger. Okay. Stir a little bit. Wok is not still very hot, but we'll wait. And then, see, these are carrots that I have chopped very fine. You know, itna fine carrot chop kariye. And wash, everything is washed. Add that. Now in Chinese cooking, you have to be very quick because the flame is always high. The high pe you can't be slow. These are boiled kernels, corn, जो मैंने लिया है. Measurements are in the description. You'll find them there. And quickly stir. See, why do we chop the carrots and all the veggies very fine? So that they cook fast. We don't want them all soppy and soggy. We want a little crunch. Okay? Once this is done, then you add cabbage. Okay? It cooks very fast. Now we will add the sauces. So take light soya sauce. About 1 tablespoon, I think. After that, you add vinegar. Okay. Then you add black pepper powder. Stir. Then add salt. And I have boiled the rice and kept it. I had boiled it yesterday and I kept it in the fridge like a leftover rice, you know. And then you have to cool it, you know, so it's perfect for Chinese rice. Put a little bit of sugar just for the spices to come out, the flavor to come out. Stir. Now you add chillies. I've taken 3 green chillies. 3. Add that. Mix. Then you add French beans, parasbi. mix. It won't take long to cook because you know it's chopped very fine. And then you can always adjust your sauces once you make the rice, and if you feel soya sauce was less or vinegar was less or pepper was less or salt was less, whatever, you can adjust that later. Now see, this is the rice I've taken. Because this is done, we need a little crunch. Now even when you are boiling the rice, it has to be 70% boiled, not completely. 100% nahi boil karna, because we don't want it soggy. Okay? And you can take as much rice as you want, depending on how many people, घर में कितने लोग हैं और कितने लोग खाने वाले हैं, उस पे है कि कितना चावल लेना है आपको, उस हिसाब से लीजिएगा. एवरीथिंग शुड बी रेडी. अगर रेडी होगा ना तो जल्दी जल्दी सब हो जाएगा. उस वक्त करने जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. देखिए कितना बढ़िया लग रहा है. Just mix it nicely. Now see, this is done. It looks so nice, you know, fresh and nice and beautiful. Now while doing this, supposing आपको लगे कि थोड़ा dry लग रहा है ना, तो थोड़ा सा take a little bit of water in your hand and ऐसे छींटा मार के उसको बंद कर दीजिए. फिर ये बिकम नाइस. मुझे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स ऑल शाइनी एंड नाइस. सी, स्विच ऑफ द फ्लेम एंड वी आर डन. लवली ना, ब्यूटीफुल इट इज एंड इट्स वेरी टेस्टी. सो ट्राई इट. और ट्राई करके फिर मुझे जरूर आप बताइए कमेंट में कि आपने ट्राई किया, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. ओम सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे. ओम शांति शांति शांति. जय माँ, जय माँ, सबको जय माँ.